Are you a non-UK resident looking to open a business account in the UK? Have you heard about Tide and are wondering if it's even an option for you? It's a question we get all the time, because for a long time, opening a business account in the UK as a non-resident was a serious headache. In the past, you'd often have to fly into the country just to visit a bank branch, or deal with endless paperwork and strict requirements. But the good news is, the fintech revolution has changed all of that, and platforms like Tide are at the forefront. So, let's get straight to the point. Can a non-UK resident use or apply for a Tide business account? The short answer is, yes, you can. But, there are some important conditions you need to meet. First and foremost, your company must be registered with UK Companies House. Tide is built for UK businesses, so this is a non-negotiable requirement. If you are a sole trader, you must be a UK resident and registered with HMRC. So, this is really a solution for non-resident directors of a UK company, not for someone just wanting a personal account from abroad. The second critical requirement is having a UK residential address and a UK mobile number. Now, this is a common point of confusion. You don't have to be living in the UK, but you must have a valid UK address where you can receive mail. Likewise, you need a UK phone number for the application process and account verification. Many non-residents use a virtual office address for their company and can get a UK mobile number through various providers. Another key thing to remember is that you'll need a smartphone and will have to switch your App Store or Google Play Store region to the UK to download the Tide app. The entire process, from application to managing your account, is done through the app, so this is essential. Finally, while the application process is fast and entirely digital for most, Tide may need to perform additional checks on non-resident applicants. You'll need to have your passport or other valid photo ID ready. So, to sum it up, as a non-UK resident, you can open a Tide business account, but only if you are a director of a company registered in the UK. You'll also need a UK address and UK phone number. If you meet these criteria, Tide offers a powerful, app-based solution to help you manage your UK business finances from anywhere in the world. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.